Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today. It's been a long time. I'm very sorry for not being around, but currently I'm fully available now. So I will continue my content. So I'm very available now. So thank you very much for your love and everything, for the sharing my videos, for the likes and the subscription. And also, don't forget our challenge is going on. That's our our giveaway challenge, which is almost near. I guess 2 days or 2 days time, or 3 days time or so, the winner will be declared. So thank you very much also for those that are participating. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a true support and resistance. There are many questions. Some people have DM me and some people have dropped comment that how do I go about drawing support and resistance. So this video we cover that, and it's going to be a very explanatory. So let's dive into the video. So basically, if you're talking about support and resistance, is basically the buy and sell zone. Do you understand? If you're talking about the support, if you're talking about the resistance, like I said, it's basically the buy and sell zone. Do you understand? And markets generally, irrespective, maybe the forex market, crypto market, stock market, any market, beat any market, is basically a fight between the buyers and the seller. Because without the buyer, there will be no market. Without the seller, there will be no market. The two must be present in the market for us to call it a market. So once we have the two, we can say fine that we have a market in operation. And we look at the chart that is currently on the screen now, you will see we have green candle and red candles. Do you understand? And if you look at those green candles, we say that one, those green candles represent the buyers, while the red candle represent the sellers. So that's basically what the market is, consists of both the buyers and the sellers in the market. Once you know that the market consists of buyers and sellers, first things first, you don't have any problem. Do you understand? Each and every candlestick you see that is printed on the chart is drag, like is a fight between the buyers and sellers. So if the candle ends up green, that means the buyer actually win in that particular market. And if the candle actually ends up red, that means the sellers actually wins in that particular market. So that's basically that. So what do you call it? The next thing now also we'll be talking about, like I said, we saw support and resistance. So let me quickly drag this up. Let me go to another chart. Maybe I've not drawn something on it before. Okay, so let me drag this up so that I can show you some basic stuff. So we're talking about resistance and support. It's just like an horizontal line that is drawn. Do you understand? If the first one, if you had a line up and we have another one below, so these two lines, you understand, the one above is the resistance, while the one below is support. When we're talking about support, that means what something is resting on. And we're talking about a resistance, that means what something automatically is trying to face. That is when something's up, that's above. So that's the resistance. When something's below is a support. Do you understand? So any support line or any horizontal line that is drawn below the current market price is known as support. While any horizontal line that is drawn above the current market price is called a resistance. So this is a resistance, and why this is what is support. Do you understand? So then let's assume now maybe a market is moving this way, is moving. Now the resistance, the horizontal line that is above the current market price is what is that resistance, that is that white resistance that we have there. So but immediately that particular resistance is broken, it returns to a support because it is now an horizontal line that is below the current market price. While the next horizontal line that is above the current market price is that orange resistance. So that this is the next resistance now, because it's now above the current market price. While this one is now the support because it's now below the current market price. So when the support is broken, it turns to a resistance. While when a resistance is broken also, it turns to a support. So both of them can be broken. And when they are broken, they return to like they switch position. Do you understand? So that's that. And basically what support and resistance is in the market is just like maybe let me use this one let me use this one as an example, because they are support and resistance zone in the market are turning points in the market where market has reached in the past, and getting there, the market bounce back or turn back from it. It might have a total turn or just a little turn, just for small correction. It depends on how that particular level is strong, because we have a strong level and we have a weak level. That's why we say we have a strong support and resistance, and we also have a weak support and resistance. So, but looking at it in a real life situation, there are on a logical way, we can see that we can make this one as an example. Maybe your mom now tells you that okay, oh, Mr. Go to the kitchen and help me bring down the rice on fire or on the gas. And get to the kitchen, instead of you to use rag to bring out the rice, you use your bare hands. On touching it, it burn your hand, and you withdraw your hand from the pot. So you went to pick rag again, and we used to remove the rice from the fire. Maybe the following day, your mom told you again, go and remove hot water from the fire. On getting there, you want to use your hand to touch the pot or the kettle. You will remember that, oh, the last time I touched it, it burned me. What will you do? You will does what? You start to go back and take rag to remove that pot or kettle from the gas or fire. So that's basically it. So whenever the market touched somewhere before, the market will remember, or the price remember that I've touched this particular level before. So it's possible for it to bounce a little bit from it before go ahead and break that particular level. So that basically what support and resistance is. It does a simple logic, and I guess you'll be able to understand the way I just explained now. You also have a simple ideology about support and resistance. So let me show you an example now. Look at this place now. And also, when you want to draw your support and resistance, make sure that your horizontal line touch at least two turning points. Do you understand? Once your horizontal line touch at least two turning points, I can say that particular level is a strong resistance or a strong support. But when you only have one touch, especially when in terms of recency, you only have one touch, that means in that particular situation, you have to watch out on the formation of the candlestick in that region to know maybe the market is going, or the price is going to break that particular level, or is going to move up from that particular level. So that's basically that. And then also, let me show you for example now. So let's assume now I pick up my horizontal line. Let me go to so that it will be easier for us. Sorry. Sorry. So coming. Okay, so now if I want to draw a support and resistance, those are the sample on this particular chart now. You see, first one, we have a first turn here, the market touched here and then came down. We have another turn here, it touched here and went down a little bit. If we look at it again, we have another turn here. Do you understand? We have another turn here. With that, I can just put an horizontal line to identify that particular level. So you can basically see now that it was used here, it broke it here, it was used here also, it was used here, it broke it here also, it was used here, it was used as a support here, it was used as a resistance here, it was used as a resistance here, a resistance here, a resistance here, a resistance here, a support here, a support here. So can you see a support here also? And this at this particular level, is a very strong level. Look at it here, because it was used in the previous uh times. Do you understand? Look at it here also in the present. The market went up again and came down to use it as what? As a support here also. This is to show you how to identify a strong support and resistance. When that particular level has been used two or more times, I can tell you that that particular level is a strong support and a strong resistance. So I don't want to make this video too long. So I will continue from here. The next content I'm going to drop, that should be, expect this content again on Monday. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to comment. Have a wonderful comment below. I'm expecting your comment. Yeah, let me know whether you enjoyed this video, and don't forget also to subscribe. It's very important, and put on the notification. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. God bless you all.